Aye. What a stupid pre-market. What a silly pre-market. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Virus. Azul, good morning. Oleg, good morning. Abdu. Well, Sumit, good morning. Mike, Ayo. Winter's coming, Mike. Winter's coming. Who else is here? Tesh, good morning. Dean, good morning. Jay, Ayo, good morning. Jericho, green and not greedy, please. Green, not greedy. Hopefully, you guys had a good weekend, everybody. It seems la 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 la. I agree. Um, is that the one I have up here, Virus? No, this one's different. This one's ALTM TM. Is it the same one? Maybe it's not. I'll look. I'll look. Let's see. 72 or 69 for SPY. MYTE. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. The problem with some of these buyouts still is like as soon as it goes to the buyout price, it just sits there. Are you going fishing this afternoon? Oh, yeah. Let me take a look at the weather. Oh yeah, Monday is nice, Tuesday is nice, and then it goes downhill. I like it. I like it a lot. Should probably do some stuff outside the next 2 days because it's done. Um, yeah, it is. It just has a lot of resistance at 425 ish. Mike V. Yeah, lots of resistance at 425. So just be mindful. Laura, good morning. Have a fantastic week as well. Kimbella, what's up? What's up? Good morning. Happy Monday, everybody. Kevin, la 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 la. Let's go. Will, good morning. George, good morning. AA, good morning. Ham, good morning. Trey, Lizzie, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully, you guys had a good weekend and you're ready to cook. Ready to cook. It's kind of feeling like, the typical, right? We have a good week and then we have a slow week, right? This is becoming this is way too common now. A really, really good week, lots of movers, and then the next week is like, oh my goodness, can we even get something to go up 50%? So we'll see. The S&P is gapping down a little bit as bonds are doing well. Regina, good morning. So let's see if the S&P can maybe stay above 570. Right, we seem to be recovering a little bit, so that might be a good thing, right? Tesla is gapping up this morning as they have an event coming up. So Robotaxi is in 3 days. So October 10th for Tesla. So maybe Tesla wants to push up a bit towards that price. Like Virus mentioned, though, there's a lot of resistance for Tesla 252. So let's see if we can break above that or break below 250 and then go from there. Critical, good morning. Chase, good morning. Ryan, good morning. Good morning, A. Alrighty, Tesla actually just went back to red. Oh my goodness. Tesla is below 250 now. Why couldn't it wait till the market opened and then did that? Like, nope, we just want to go to the abyss now. But yeah, and then RIME looks like it's curling up the bottom, which is a good thing. So off 60 cents. So we shall keep that one on watch. There's a whole bunch of other names that just look random. GDHG, like it had a really good pre-mark after hours on Friday. There was some really good volume actually. It went all the way to $3, right? But then this morning it was popping and the volume just never came through and it sold off. So basically still at the same price. I liked it closer to 250 like I mentioned. So let's see if we can stay above 250 and then eventually push from there. And then there's a whole bunch of other names that look interesting too. So but nothing that really stands out though. Right? Maybe Rhyme is gonna be the one that actually ends up pushing. Who knows? Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the channel there from Nightbot and come join us in Discord. Yeah, and then we have a whole bunch of members from The rubbish weather places like Florida. So be safe, everybody, please and thank you. Be safe, be safe. Uh, okay, let's take a look. La 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 la. Okay. Entry and exits. 2260. There's trouble. La, 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 la. Hmm. Okay, entry. Okay, there we go. You can get the Discord link. Sumit, what's your YouTube name? Like, well, not your YouTube name. So when did you become a member? Um, Let me know. Did you sign up for the right level? Justin, good morning. Minor, good morning. Hello, hello. Uh, Chase, you're joining Discord. Wait, you're not in Discord? Oh wow, my goodness. Yeah, how do you do it? You just click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. So it looks like you got a free membership. So all you have to do is upgrade. So click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots, and then just upgrade to the proper level. You're gonna get a nice discount anyways. So just or it might not even charge you. So when you go to upgrade, it probably doesn't charge you until the following month. Alrighty, so yeah, you just need to So click the link at the bottom of the chat there, Chase, and it's gonna tell you right if it's gonna charge you or not. So you can just upgrade and then it's not gonna even charge you for a month. So yeah, again, click the link at the bottom of the chat. You have to be Discord community legend or goats to join Discord. So alrighty, so click one of those levels and then come join us, and you should be good to go. We have 10 minutes, 10 minutes, and then the market opens. Question for you guys in the chat though. The usual. What's your favorite stock going into the open? What's your favorite name going into the open? La, 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 la. Let me take a look at that list actually. Okay. Let's see. MYTE, then Rhyme. Okay. Yeah, seems like those are the two standouts. Oh, Chada, good morning. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, so Rhyme looks interesting. Interesting. ALTM, which Virus mentioned earlier. It looks to be sitting at that resistance for now, but also creating higher lows, which is a good thing. I need to pull up the headline though, Virus, because takeover bid. So for now it's just a bid. Okay, that's a good thing though, because once the buyout is completed, then it's over. So is there an offer in the bid though? Like did they? Let me take a look. So it was up 36%. La 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 la. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's an actual target. Rate stock buy and has a price target for the stock. Okay, $5. Okay, and then MYTE is another one. Yup. This one actually doesn't look bad, does it? According to TradingView, it's not sure what the float is. I think you mentioned 18 million in Discord. So, hmm. What's the float for ALTM? 1 billion. Shush. Shush. Dan, good morning. Chris, good morning. Yeah, I don't think ALTM is going to be interesting. We have a new member, guys. A new member waiting for it to load. Taking forever. Let's go, Seb. Legends. Welcome to Legends. So just go over to the community tab on YouTube, members only section. There's going to be an invite link for you. So just click the link and follow the steps in Discord. Alrighty. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome. 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 Yeah, I really don't see anything that's a standout for me for now. At this point, honestly, we're just gonna have to wait for the market to open. uh, ah. Let me see. Let me see. Ads. Yeah. Let's see. Let's save that's watch list screenshots. Yeah. Let me pull that one up to you, Mark. I'm just gonna set an alert for this one here. A little bit higher. CHSN. Because if nothing moves, people just tend to go back to the old ones, you know? If a company is being acquired and the price, uh, if a company is being acquired and the price of the requirement price is $10, but it's already trading at $10, should you stay away from it? Stay away. Yeah. So Kimbella, what happens is if a stock is being acquired and the price target is clear, right? Like the deal is done, right? Signed, sealed, delivered. Anyways, so if the deal has been completed, everything is done. What happens now is that stock quickly runs to that price, like immediately runs to that $10 price, and it just sits there, right, until the deal is finally closed. Because there's no need for anybody to sell it below that, because either way they're gonna get the cash money, right, from the company, right? If they're buying all the shares and taking it private, right, you need to make sure that you look at the details though, because sometimes they're like, oh, we're gonna give you cash, 50% cash, 50% like shares of this other company. Then okay, that becomes a little bit sus, right? And then either way, you don't want it. But if it's all cash, buyout, completed, private, then nobody's gonna sell it below $10. Because why would I sell you my shares below $10 when I'm gonna get the cash if I keep the shares? Right? It might take a month, but I know I'm gonna get my monies. Right? Also, why would anybody buy that stock above $11 when all you're gonna get is $11? No, yeah, always good to ask. Always good to ask. 7%. I think has been impressive, Virus. Very impressive. Very, very impressive. So SRRK is slowly creeping up to $26 again, isn't it? So not bad. Not bad at all. Hmm. These guys also had some news this morning. I thought it was a buyout. Okay, no, the buyout was the other one. Was the second one on the list, I think. Yeah, Napa. That's the one that's getting completely bought out. Okay, there we go. My goodness. My goodness. Just want to zoom in. Okay. Yeah, there's nothing on this list that we haven't looked at yet. Looked at this morning. Tesla looks like oh my goodness, Tesla. Sheesh. Tesla got slapped. Tesla just had to wait, but no. No, Tesla. You just had to get slapped before the market opens. Say something, Paul. Say something about GSIW. Something. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. GSIW. Um, I mean, maybe, yeah, exactly, virus. Um, Paul, a little bit of support at $2.28, and then a double top at 242. Not sure if you're in the position already. You're gonna have to clarify. Um, yeah, Shamir. Yep, yep, yep. Yeah, again, Tesla has that event this week, so I'm sure that's gonna help. Uh, Stream alerts. There we go. Don't rush in, selling off into the open. Yeah, there we go. So markets open, guys. Again, no need to rush at all, right? Let's see. Let's see what actually wants to move this morning. We can go from there. I just got an alert for something. FFIE alert. Why am I getting an FFIE alert? FFIE. It's funny because we. Okay, never mind. I don't know. We must have set an alert for a drop or something to this price. Let me see. Let me see what that daily looks like. Uh, meh, meh. Looks like a double bottom, doesn't it? It'll be interesting. Let's see if FFIE starts to curl up 260. If it does, maybe that's why we set that alert, right? Most likely, I think it was over the weekend. So looking at the chart and saying, oh, maybe FFIE is going to bounce off this level. Maybe. But it needs to give us signs of a curl first. I'm just going to leave that up for a second. Let's see if we can start curling. If not, then we can throw it in the garbage. Tesla is still dipping there. The S&P is playing games, right? Spike and drop. This one's cooking though. So SRRK looks good. 265% and still looking hot. Reefer, good morning. Olu, good morning. Shamir, good morning. Um, yeah, so that looks good. This thing had a really big run early this morning when the news came out, all the way to $35. So the price target is 27. So I'm not sure. Anyways, we'll keep an eye on it for now. RIME is selling off a little bit there. ALTM is selling off a little bit at the open. Not surprised. Everything kind of seems sus, right? It's Monday morning, guys. No need to rush at all. There goes LGMK with the pop of 16 cents actually. Nothing happening on CHSN, right? It's dipping a little bit for now. As you can see, there's a lot of resistance at $15, so that's going to be a level. Long live Ethiopia that it needs to break. Is it halted down or halted up? I just got another alert. My goodness. My goodness. I was busy with these alerts, huh? That alert though is for AMBO. Uh, yeah, there's a bit of a spike there. AMBO. I actually want to leave that up for a second because I was interested in this one. Ooh. The spread is a little bit ridiculous though, isn't it? I know, right, Ryan? It's like all these alerts just going off one after the other. So I'll leave this one up for a second. I want to see what it does for the next few minutes here, AMBO, and then go from there. Try to sneak in. Okay, sounds good. It still needs to break out though, right? So it's trying to. The spread is just something that I don't like. Like it's a 10-cent spread. The ask is 65. The bid is 55. Well, it's changing now, but still, right? Does seem interesting though. Yeah, there he goes. There he goes. What's that? What's that pre-market high spike? 72. I think needs to. That thing needs to consolidate a little bit. Give us some proper levels to look at. Yeah, because isn't it? Let's go, Grim. Let's go. Let's go. Make it cook. We need something to cook. 30% is unacceptable. Unacceptable. Alan, was it halted up or halted down? Yeah, needs a bit more volume there, Grim. Still going sideways. Still selling off. LASC. Let me take a look. Ooh. Decline in stock price with dropping 46% in pre-market on Monday, followed by blah 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 blah. Nothing new there. It's a pretty good run though. Pretty good run. Look at AMBO. It just came all the way back down, right? So that's my concern with stuff like that. When it's spiking with super low volume, it's very concerning. So for now though, let's see if it can consolidate above $1.50 and then go from there. Right? Looks like RIME is pushing though. So nice, beautiful demand zone at 60 cents. 60 cents holding really well. Next resistance is 70 cents. So if you look to the left-hand side there's a bit of resistance at 70. So you will need to break above that level. The S&P still looks sus. Tesla is getting absolutely slapped. I bet you virus got into those puts. Oof. Absolutely slapped Tesla. Slapped. DJT just pushed for high into the above 17 cents. Okay. Yeah, SPY is still trying to decide what it wants to do here. So it's holding 570.70, but also failing at 571.30. Very interesting. You like the stock? Yeah. I mean, it seems to be doing well, right? So that's all that matters for now, Abdu. Right. So again, good support at 60 cents, resistance at 70. So just keep that in mind. For the Robotaxi gamble, some 300s. Yeah, not a bad gamble, huh? Yeah, not a bad gamble at all. That's a nice spike. Oof. Not a bad gamble. There goes the S&P though. That's obviously helping Tesla with the pop. And maybe SPY dipping to closer to 570 was a no-brainer for calls. Maybe that was a no-brainer. LASC is unhalted, guys, and it's still recovering. It's actually quite a good recovery. Wow. Look at the bottom of this. $1.80, $1.60. How the hell did that thing go from $1.60 to $5? Shish. See, if this wasn't the stock that initially gapped down and it's halted up again. Wow. It's quite impressive. Steven? Yeah. Yeah, Kimbella mentioned that one too. Damn. Is that thing gonna now go from red to green all the way? SPY still kind of looks a bit sus. Yeah, CHSN is halted down, so that thing looks like garbage. Right? There's nothing to see there on CHSN. Zero. Maybe if they can find a way to stay above $12, and then maybe. But other than that, there's nothing to see. Right? So the last time it popped off $12. So watch $12 for a retest and then a potential bounce. LGMK looks like it just hit a supply zone and came back down. Uh, and then AMBO is really fighting there, isn't it? Mm. Mm-hmm. If that thing can close above $1.60 grim, maybe that's when the violence is gonna come in. Was kind of You saw 10% on the spike you did, Grim? Monies. Well done. Yeah, those add up, you know. There goes Rhyme, guys. RIME. Yeah, that one's looking a bit more promising. Abdu's smiling now. Well done, Abdu. There you go. You are sitting at the view out there though, so as the view app 72 cents. So just be mindful. Let me take a look, Virus. Let me take a look. Let's take a look, Ski. I uh I think we're gonna end up saying no, but ELL. NVIDIA is pumping. Yep. Obviously that 1 minute time frame is not it. And Virus looks like you're sitting at resistance. Yeah, 13. Well, it pushed a $13 resistance this morning. If that level breaks, and then you're looking for 16. Are you being greedy? I want to say no because those things are 80% free, right? But honestly, if you're looking at them and you're like, you know what, let me take the monies. I don't think that's a problem because it's resistance anyways, right? Like right there, that's a double top on the daily. So I mean, it's actually failed them more than twice, right? So $13 resistance, right? So nothing wrong with that at all. AMBO looks like it wants to cook a little bit there, Grim, but it keeps stalling below 65. And any ideas? Mm, hmm. Why do I feel the need to tell Shamir to like? Hmm, yeah, almost like you need to, I know you like the spreads and like other things and like selling and buying calls and this and that. Um, I'm just thinking. You might almost need to like to come back to a simpler level. Like just buying calls and puts instead, uh, compared to like overcomplicating it. Yeah, it wants to, Grim. It really wants to. Um, yeah. So if that thing can cook, that would be nice. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. What's Amazon doing actually? Jesus, Amazon. That looks scary. Okay. Yeah, it's getting closer to that 180, huh? That would be nice. Let me look at the 15-minute for Amazon really quickly, and then I'm gonna go back. Yeah, this is the level that, yeah, so closer to 180. Yeah. The dude has gone on like a social media, hype fest. Remember what happened to Oxy? What is he talking about? Uh, yeah. You know what's funny though, Virus? He's working with the other dude that we took away from Discord, the banana dude. Uh, because now you can see them interacting. You know. Anyways, this one looks beautiful though. So SRRK. Anybody get into this? I think Mark, did you get into that one? Because I know you were watching that one really closely. What's in the okay, perfect. Exact virus, honestly, that's okay. That's completely okay. 300% is really nice. Take the monies and move on. CHSN guys, there's nothing to see there, right? Nothing. Nothing. No consolidation at $12. Nothing. Resistance, yeah, that's about it. So nothing to see. RIME looks okay though. 72 cents. AMBO looks like it pushed all the way to 175 as well and then came back down. Ooh, Grim, not bad, huh? Okay, it's trying Paul. That's because Grim sold it. My goodness, this one's just going for $29 again. Sheesh, that looks nice though, doesn't it? Too bad it's really expensive. $29. Uh, made $700. Let's go. Woof. My goodness, made $700. Taking bottom of LASE. Archer, congratulations. That's beautiful. That is very beautiful. Well done. Good monies. Good monies. Well, perhaps. Yeah, that's a really good run on this one here. Really good run. I want to say yes as well. Yeah, Spy came back down. Uh, oh, that's still the 15-minute time frame. Yeah. Uh, no, Rhyme does look good. So congratulations, 60% there almost. Maybe it really is going to a dollar. 127 for. Oof, my goodness. Uh, yeah, there we go. Mm, yeah, no, that thing's had a really good run now. So at this point, you kind of have to wait for dipskis. Anyways, Nvidia 27. It looks like a virus, huh? Let me look at a different time from here though. Sheesh. Looks like that entire range is a problem, isn't it? But really, it's closer to $130. Yeah, that last double top. So if you look at the two daily candles virus, this last two. So this is September 26th. This candle was 127, 127, 127, whatever, right? Closer to 128. And that's the exact same thing this candle just did today and then came back down. So that entire range though, supply. Hmm. See that little line we just drew on the on the daily? That became a massive line on the 1 minute, right? And it's exactly what it failed at. Um, interesting though. AMBO still looks good, guys. Holding the 9 EMA really well. Holding the 9 EMA really well. Okay, there we go. Spy looks like it's not quite sure what it wants to do yet. That thing is all over the place. All over the place. When is SRRK? SRRK gonna break $30 here? Let's see. All of these names kind of look sus still. Uh, Here we go. Pick a direction. Seriously, I hope the direction is up, especially after the strong close we had on Friday. Trashla is struggling. Yeah, that's a bad word. You're getting concerned. Yeah, there's too much messing around. Too much messing around. 450 in at $4. Okay, let's take a look. ALTM. Okay, you're nice and green though, which is good. In terms of resistance, yeah, I'm not sure that I just want to see where you're getting 450 from. Um, yeah, 450 would be a psychological level, but really closer to $5. And then your next support is a little bit low in the daily. That's not going to help us. That really doesn't help us at all. So if I were you for now, I would be hoping that we stay above $4.22. At the very least, though, that thing isn't allowed to go below 413 because that's the low of the day. Alrighty, so yes, you might be looking for $4.50, but your main again, we should like what you should be paying attention to is try and stay above 420. Alrighty, and then you have the view up and the 200 EMA both sitting at 413, which is perfect because that's the low of the day. So you need to stay above that. So all of that just to say that there's no reason for you to go green in this position if you're in at $4. Alrighty, so stay green, please. Come on, spy. Let's see you cook, please. Let's see you cook. Oof. There's not a there's not a clear there's not a clear theme in the market, is there? Okay, sounds good. TIGR. Somebody get out and push. Something needs to happen here. Something needs to push. Sheesh. My goodness. Amazon looked like somebody slapped it off the off the building, even with the stupid Amazon Day coming. They're going to be selling toilet paper on the side of the road at this point. The S&P just hit new lows of the day, guys. But let's see if that becomes another bottom, though. Right? Oh my goodness! Somebody needs to do something. EVGO back at these levels. Okay. Prime Day is tomorrow. Well, Amazon is behaving like Prime Day has been cancelled. Sheesh. La 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 la. Somebody needs to go to China. And raking and collection. Okay, sounds good. Virus. Ryan just wants, something to have, something crazy to happen, so we can have a theme in the market. Because this is not it, This is not it. Spy sitting at the lows of the day. Amazon is sitting at the lows of the day. Everything just kind of looks sus. Uh, I'm looking for a safe smaller movement. Chase, I'm surprised you're still not in Discord. You would have had so many small safe movements. I mean, even these larger caps, those would be perfect for you. Chase, I yeah. Anyways, uh, well done, Grim. Well done. I like it. The S&P just hit new lows of the day again. Again, not a massive drop, but yeah, no, PEV does look good. Let me pull it up. So PEV. Yeah, when people look around the market and nothing's moving, they just tend to go back to the names from the previous week, right? And PEV was one from last week, so there it goes. Right. So again, nothing crazy. It's 26%, but at least it's moving in the right direction. In the right direction. Yeah, good scalpy on that one, Grim. Good scalpy. You have been chased? Okay. Is it halted up long? Maybe it's finally yeah, I mean it's halted at $12, right? It looks like it came all the way down to $11 and then halted at 12. The S&P looks like it's trying maybe to bounce. Trying. We shall see. And then there goes SRRK. Is anybody holding this one in the chat? 180 and okay, sounds good. Virus, I like that. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Perfect. Yeah, we need Amazon to bounce like now, Mm. There we go. You're in at $12, Box. Are you connected to Discord now, Box? I know you become a member. I don't think you're connected though. So let me know if you still need an invite to join us in Discord. It should be in Discord, like on YouTube. Not sure if you could find it though. There goes AMBO again, a retest of 170, holding up quite well actually, Grim. But tiny volume, 520. Azul. Okay, sounds good. 520. Oof, Amazon. Even the S&P is trying to bounce. For some reason, I feel like something else is going on with Amazon. Like something else is going on there, Uh, okay, sounds good, sounds good. I feel like something else is going on there. Anyways, Rhyme, what's your question, guy? Arava, Rhyme isn't doing anything here now, right? It failed that resistance and came back down. AMBO is retesting the highs of the day, which is nice. There goes new highs for AMBO. There goes AMBO with a nice little pop. See, I knew there was a reason why this name was, as a smaller cap, this name was number one on the stream title, Had to be a reason. Well, the reason was monies. Yeah. The reason was monies. There goes the S&P with a nice little bounce. And Amazon is like, oh, I can't even bounce. I don't want to bounce. I don't want to bounce. Market comeback, hopefully. To Legend Discords. The link is under the community tab on YouTube, Seb. And if you can't find it, just let me know. But the link is under the community tab on YouTube. Actually, you know what? I'll just send you a link here. So click that link at the very bottom of the chat there, Seb. And then you have to follow the steps, though, in the Getting Started channel. You guys see that on that candle? Jesus. Everything is just chaos today. Everything is just chaos. SRRK looks like it's about to break about $30 though. $30 double tops came back to is it halted up again? Yeah, 29 cents higher though. Actually, it's halted down. It went from $12 to 13.50 and then halted down at 12.29. So it's a halt down long. My goodness, why is everything so scammy today? Yeah, it is going crazy, just all over the place. La, 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 la. Sellers at 30. Yeah. Yep. That thing looks like it's gonna break it though. Yeah. Hmm. Strong stonk. Yeah, 197 left. Okay. It's definitely eating it. 96. Yeah, looks like RIME came all the way back up to the highs of the day, huh? Yep. 67%. What's SPY doing now? Still holding the same bottom? Why do I feel like this is just a scam and then they're gonna pump the markets? That's why I like those Amazons. But yeah, there goes the breakout on SRRK. Oof, that thing just said, thanks guys. I think destroy that block. Is anybody holding this one? SRRK? Anybody? It's going for $31. Alan, that's something for you to be scalping, huh? Yeah, there goes 31. Uh, yeah, I feel like they're gonna pump it. Hopefully. Hopefully. Well done. Continuous. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. 2020 too slow virus. Okay, good though. Right, 25% is nice. Is the S&P bouncing? Yeah, trying to. But then again, it's been playing this silly game all morning. So who the hell knows? Who knows? And your profits? Nice, Abdu. Looks like CHSN is unhalted for anybody that's looking at this. 11.50, like the spread is 50 cents. That's ridiculous. No wonder the stock is moving like a maniac. Sheesh. Ooh, there we go, Amazon. There we go with the bounce. With the bounce, Amazon. Go from red to green. Amazon red to green. Would that be fire? Yeah, of course that would be fire. So, Virus, can you get those 190s in the monies today, please? I yeah, yeah. That stuff is scary, scary, scary. You good now, Jerry? Good to go. Good morning, Joshua. Ayo. Grim, yeah, we never know, huh? Like we never know. CHSN is back above $13 again here. Yeah, Virus. Yeah, you sold that thing so I could get rid of PLL down. You threw that thing in the garbage. Almost up, almost 8%. Dang, yeah. I mean, like hurricane season, we really need to pay more attention to to those things. Uh, we need to pay more attention to those things. Let me look at HIMS. HIMS is getting added to the. Yeah, that's a nice play. Yeah, closed and basically just consolidated. That's beautiful. Uh, yeah, nice little base there for HIMS. HIMS. I remember we were looking at this company 2 years ago with and it was at $7. I mean, not that that's anything crazy though, you know. Do, 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 do. Good performance. Do, 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 do. Um, yeah, the best thing for you to do, long live, is just pull up a legend for the halt, and it's gonna give you all the explanation you need, right? Like what's a T1 halt, what's a T12 halt, what's a T2, what's a 3T3, what's a LUD DP halt, right? So it's gonna give you all of that because there's a long list and there's no need for me to go over all of that stuff, right? If you join Discord, that stuff is all in Discord. Like it's really easy. So become a member. Come join us in Discord. Come join us. 26. Nice. Very, very nice. Okay. Perfect. Is it halted again? Yeah, $13.17 now. Like, look at that candle before the halter water. Like, that's a crazy candle from $11 to $13, and it's halted again. Yeah, just be that stock is a bit scary. Looks like RIME is trying to break out again, isn't it? Trying to. DJT. The markets are like Amazon. I feel like like something's really going on with Amazon. The S&P is pushing back up there, guys. We actually made new highs of the day on Amazon on that candle, or not on Amazon, on the S&P, right? So again, not really surprised. Like I said, I feel like they're gonna end up pumping it. They're just destroying everybody for that wants to guess at the open. J Scalp number 2, love it. Well done. So yeah, but then for some reason, like the S&P bounces, Amazon bounces, and then comes all the way back down to the bottom of the range. Like something else is going on there. Somebody's selling. A community stretch, exactly. Yeah, so something for sure is going on with Amazon. Unless that's just a double bottom and it needs the S&P to go to all-time highs, then that's cool. But yeah, there goes another fail for Rhyme there. Another fail. So lots and lots of resistance. closer to election. Guaranteed YOLO virus. Both directions. Because yeah, if Trump wins, he's gonna keep DJT, right? And blah 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 blah. I feel like this is Trump's like last time, he's gonna run. Like if he doesn't win, he's done after that. So you would like if he doesn't, I think like he's just gonna sell his position in DJT and go to the beach and just give up, But yeah, 14%. There you go. Jay, looking good on SRRK. Spy, meh, 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 meh. There's a whole bunch of like names giving you opportunities, but they all kind of look sus. He did say that, Bradley. Oh wow. Okay, I did not know that. Okay. Hmm. Well, well. Yeah, I mean that makes a lot of sense though. I think anybody in his position would do the same thing. If you run 3 times, I think it's time for you to you know. Yeah. CHSN is unhalted here, trying to recover still. They need to my position la 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 la. Sounds good. Hymns and hearts. Uh, if we break either, yeah, virus, I think that's a good plan because yeah, we just keep going back and forth, up, down, up, down. Again, I think we're gonna break to the upside and send it, but who knows? Who knows? With that stupid volatility, everything just looks like that too. Well, except for like SRRK, which actually does look nice. There you go. Chop, chop, chop. Let's see. Uh, mm, mm, 2 p.m. Eastern time. I hope not, because those minutes are usually stupid. That's a lot of sidewaysness till Wednesday. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, spy, give us something. Why are you gay? You are gay. Whereas I blame you. This time it's your fault. Lorenda, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Uh, BTC. That actually does look nice. Yeah, 64 almost. It's about time. It's about time Bitcoin went above 70K. My goodness. So closer to the end of this month, though, Bitcoin. That's usually when Bitcoin, starts to really say thank you, guys. Hopefully you bought the dip skis because it's over, right? Usually. So hopefully that's the case. Hopefully. Uh, whoever, if you're a member, if you're in Discord and your name is Warrior of God, you need to go upgrade your membership because I will ban you. So just upgrade your membership to a proper Discord level. Alrighty, whoever the Warrior of God is. Um, uh, yes, I want you to be a Warrior of God, but just get the right membership, and then you can be the please. You cannot be a warrior without the right membership. Otherwise, just warrior Twitter instead. Uh, 88,000 in mostly Tesla stock. Eventually, I ran in his account to 400. Oh, wow. And lost it all. RBC Bank. He's not suing the bank. Oh, wow. Kiwi. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy. Shish. Yeah, no. Yeah, Bitcoin looks good. Come on, Amazon. When get back above 185? The S&P looks like it's trying to test the top of the range again. Feel like it's just a matter of time. Like, anyways. DJT. Seriously, Jerry. Like all over the place. All over the place. Is if your Discord name is Warrior of God, are you on stream? Let me know. So I'm not kicking the right person out of Discord. Let me know if you are, because then I'll be nice to you. Unless it's just a random person, then I'll just ban them. But if you are a member on YouTube, just let me know, please. Okay. Come on, Spy. We want to see highs of the day. This is unacceptable. Exactly right, Joe. EH with a EH is at $22 now. Do you guys remember EH, the Chinese stupid scam? EH is at $22 now. Oh, Lord have mercy. Some of these stocks are just wild. Yeah. Is it actually? Yeah. I mean, no, not yet. But yeah, that thing is just crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Come on, Spy. Give us a break above 571.70. All right. To making the money at your expense, exactly. Why you would be up that much to and then listen to the banks is ridiculous in the first place. You know. Anyways, I feel like at that point that's your own stupidity. That's a lot of monies, to go from 88. Oh my goodness. And then lose it. No, no, Josh. Oh, my strong shoulders again. I know. Yeah, exactly, Troy. Let's go, Josh. Josh wants me to use this monies, guys, to buy some more BTC. Um, yeah. So that's where the monies is going. Josh, let's go. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. When you coming back again, Josh? When you back? Yeah. Let's go. Josh shows up and the S&P is flying. There it is. There is the S&P, guys. See, we knew it'd fly, and telling you something's going on with Amazon virus. S&P is flying, and Amazon is like, eh. you know, maybe it's there's a maybe it's all this running I've been trying to do though. Oh my goodness, Josh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What did Josh just do? Oh my goodness. Oh my, that money is just for BTC. Okay, this money is going to BTC, guys. This money is going to BTC. Um, that money is going to BTC. Um, like iBit and BTIO. You know. Oh my goodness, Josh! Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, Jerry. Josh is the goat. Oof, 50 gifted, and Bitcoin is like, come on, let's go, let's go. Bitcoin is cooking with Josh here now. As soon as he showed up, the market started pumping. Uh, oh my goodness, Josh, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Uh, yeah, with it much lower cost of entry. Yeah, yeah. You know, if these dips could like, if these dips could stay, like if Bitcoin could consolidate to like, Josh, if you could hold Bitcoin down, to like the new year, when you have like room in your retirement accounts and blah blah blah, I would like that. Come on, Eric. I would like that because then I could, anyways, because then Bitcoin could go into those retirement accounts. Let's go, Gwendolyn. Uh, I went over and slap J Powell. Let's go. Okay, okay, sounds good, Josh. Sounds good. As long as we're not at like crazy levels, but yeah, I would like that. You know, yeah, yeah. And then I was listening to this to this podcast in the I don't know over the weekend, and the dude was he sounded very similar to Josh. He's like, you have 6 years. In the next 6 years, right? You if you don't buy the dip skis and everything, you will have regrets. Um, and the whole basis for this was just like the fact that the dollar is being devalued, right? So and people are going to shift the money instead of like just keeping the monies. They're going to shift that money aggressively into the markets, right? And it made a lot of sense. Anyways, is it? Yeah, looks like it's trying to break out again now. So some of these candles need to close above 77. Yeah. So what they're basically saying is, and all the dip skis you get in the next 6 years, buy, 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 buy. Right? No slacking. Let's go. Yeah, guys. Again, so make sure you take advantage of the gifted memberships if you got them. Upgrade your membership to Legends and really take advantage. Alrighty, take advantage. The S&P just had a nice pop and then failed at the top there. Failed at the top skis. Failed at the top. And then Amazon is just playing games there though. Yeah, Joshua, what's your position? Yeah, I mean, again, it makes a lot of sense. I think if we asked anybody in the chat if they're confident in terms of like where the economy is going, if they're confident in the dollar, okay, that's a question. Are you like again? So yes or no in the chat, right? If I ask you that over the next like 6 years, right? Are you confident in the dollar? Like, are you confident in your currency? Type in yes or no in the chat. Yeah, mid expected to. Okay, sounds good. I added. Okay, thank you, Chris. Small bit caps. Oh yeah, yeah. Not currently, but opinion could change with replica. Yeah, there you go. Absolutely, Josh. Absolutely. So, yeah. Yeah, yeah. So then, like, if your answer is no, like, if your answer is confident, it's going to, yeah, there you go, right? So if your answer is absolutely not, what two things, right? People are either going to move to, like, people are either going to move to crypto, right, or they're just going to move to the markets instead, right? So yes, the dollar has less value, but again, that money is going to shift into, like, some of these tech stocks, right? Technology stocks, and everything else just shift into the market, right? If my dollar, if I keep my dollar in the bank, and I know that it's going to be destroyed in with inflation in such a short period of time, well, I'd rather put that monies in the markets instead, right? Even if we dip skis, right? I know that at some point, like, these companies are going to keep growing, right? So even if the Fed is printing monies, where do you think the money is going to go to, right? So yes, the dollar is worth less, but all that money is shifting into these companies anyways, right? So I'd rather have the monies in that stuff, right? So yeah, there you go, Jerry. Yeah, right. So people would rather have assets, right? Crypto, stocks, real estate, than just have, like, cash, right? Because your cash is getting destroyed at a faster rate than it has been. So yeah, but anyways, just in the playground is the future currency, Eric. Yeah, I and I think that's what Josh mentioned about a year ago about, like, the reverse market crash, right? Long time ago, and it's playing out as exactly as he mentioned. So yep. People are like, wait, the market is gonna crash, and the market just keeps going higher and higher and higher and higher, right? So yeah, part of that is because people don't trust to just, like, keep cash, right? You did, Josh. You did. La 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 la. Plus the money in your yeah. Yep. That's exactly what it is, though, virus, right? People want to be right more often than they want to make money. Sometimes, like, you go on YouTube's and it's like, oh, the market crash is coming, and then they just keep posting those videos every single day. While the markets just keep going higher and higher and higher. So, yep, times have changed. Uh, let's go, Grim. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Have a good night. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you. Much love. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. There goes Rhyme trying again to break out. 77, 78 pennies there for Rhyme. Everything else doesn't matter for me, at least. Virus, yeah. Yeah, it's fine balance, right? Fine balance. Fine balance. Jay? Yeah. Yep. So yeah, there's a reason why you see these major dips in the markets, and then all of a sudden we're back to all-time highs again, right? These criminals are buying the dip skis. Stocks come back if it does. Crypto 75, 208. Okay, a triple in about 6 weeks. Okay, Yogi. Wow, Jish, very impressive. Snell. Um, for the day after my let's go. Congratulations. My goodness. Let's go. Do, 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 do. Investment on patience, make the daily goal and let the long term do its thing. Exactly, virus. Exactly. Do, do, do. Come on, Spy. When break above 572, not 172, because then the world would be ending. But 572. When break out. No, Koto, congratulations. Yeah, like 10%. I mean, like 10% is nice. You do that every single day and you're going to be happy. Yeah, exactly, Jerry. Exactly. DJT is actually done really well. DJT. That initial signal in Discord was below $18, right? And it's been slowly creeping up. Slowly creeping up there. You want dipskis? No more dipskis, please. There goes 1950. Wow, actually really nice. Yes, Joshua, absolutely. I'll take a look right now. What's your position though? What's your question? Yeah, that Trump stock is pumping. Yeah, NUI, NIU, up 20% today. Again, Joshua, you're gonna have to let me know what your actual position is because this thing has been cooking, right? If you're looking for a brand new position, that's gonna be a little bit tough, right? If you're in it already though, and then we can talk. But let me know. La 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 la. Every other week, exactly, exactly, Josh. Exactly. On let me take a look. There isn't a golden candle, but you can see that like there's a lot of resistance at 77, right? So for now though, I would say that if these candles keep closing above 75, you're okay. If you get a candle that's closing below 75, then you have a problem because your next level is 69 to 70 cents. Alrighty, so for now, again, golden candle or not, there's still resistance at this price. A lot of it, right? We just keep failing. So watch that closely. Eric, you're in at 1739. Nice, congratulations. 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 Looks like Amazon is back to 8160 there, Barry. So those calls should be green, right? Should be. Come on, Amazons. It's your day tomorrow. Uh, 13%. Okay, I like it. I like it. Um, yeah, Joshua, I never. Yeah, I. Maybe you're delayed though. Let me know. AMBO is dipping again. Yeah, maybe closer to $1.40 there. I know Grim went to bed. Maybe closer to $1.40. There might be another opportunity there. Bitcoin. So 64,500s. 64,500s on that push and then back down. Uh, yeah. Baby oil. That's the equivalent of the printer, Josh, in the markets. At least the last 4 years. 50 cents. Okay. Sounds good. To AMD is also, yeah. SMCI. Yes. Virus. Let me take a look at SMCI really quickly. I know we were watching this one over the weekend too. Oof, damn, no way. Sheesh, virus, damn it. When I was doing like watch lists over the weekend, this one as an option swing was definitely on the list. I might have just forgotten to set an alert on it. Yeah, because if you look at the daily and SMCI, like it actually looked really good. Right? Like look at that beautiful double bottom there. Like it looked really, really good. Um, Somehow I just forgot to check it this morning. Though I think I forgot to set an alert on this one. It's very nice. Oh well, we'll see what it looks like at the end of the day again. But really good run though. Definitely wanted some calls on this one. Definitely wanted some calls. Uh, in at 12 out of $13, Jerry. Congratulations, well done. Yeah, not bad though, right, Jerry? Not bad. Not bad at all. Your average is $3 and okay, $3 and 15 cents. Okay, what's the very bottom here? 325. Cool. I would, if I were you in that same position, I would probably just put a stop loss right below 325 and leave it like that, Joshua. Is there a way to tell? I don't think so, Josh. I don't think so. Um, yeah, and then I think it would be complicated too because then they expire at the end of the month. So then so then if you really looked, it would give you the wrong number anyways. Um, yeah, there's no way for me to tell unless like we track them like on our own. But then like they would also like expire at the end of the month. And then those numbers would drop off. Yeah. Okay. Josh, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. We would almost have to. Oof, my goodness, SMCI. Yeah, we would almost have to track them on our own. Like, ooh, there goes Josh again. Ooh, there goes Josh again. Yeah, yeah. A lot of people just slack with upgrading, which is unfortunate. They really could be benefiting and taking advantage, but people just want stuff for free, 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 free. Yeah, SMCI looks really good. Varys is looking at that option chain now. La, 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 la. Oh, well done, Laura. Well done. Good job. Yeah. Yes. Let's go. Good morning, Yim. Exactly, 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 Josh. Yeah, people slack on investing in themselves for sure. Where's the next wall? Let me zoom out a little bit here. So that bottom was really, really nice. I don't think we can really see the. Let me look at the 30-minute really quickly, Virus. Yeah, that bottom was beautiful, right? And that's the bottom it's been holding since the split happened. Definitely should have been paying more attention to this range here. Yeah. Anyways, it's looking like that next wall though, Virus is 47, right? So right around this range here, 47, 47. I say 47 because that's the bottom of it, even though it pushes a little bit higher to 48. Yeah. So that's the 30-minute, and then the 4 hour should very most likely be yeah. So there you go, right? So it looks yeah, same, right? So 47 up there. So look at that beautiful demand zone, though. I think this is why that thing was on watch, right? Because the chart was beautiful off the bottom, right? This looks like AMD of the bottom, but yeah. So 47 is your next little wall there. Annoying, but yeah. Some of these like large caps though, when they're sitting in a 4 hour demand zone, like it might take a few days, and it's frustrating. Yeah, we can catch a rejection maybe exactly, right? Like most of the time when you look at these larger cap names, like if you're playing options, right, and you're like, you know what, I don't want to be playing too much around. I don't have enough time. Like just every single time, just go through the damn charts. Like look at AMD as well, right? Let's just look at a few examples. Like every time there's a major run, right? You look at. I'm just waiting for the charts to load. You look at like the daily chart. You look at the 4 hour chart. There's usually a period of like some beautiful consolidation, right? Like beautiful consolidation somewhere in a demand zone, right? So AMD was really nice, right? Um, but you get the idea. Uh, Carry on says, was it more than my la 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 hold right now? But I've learned a lot. Definitely with the price once my gets back to work. Let's go carry on. Yeah. So there you go. There you go. There you go. There's a lot of educational content too. For the gifted membership. So spend time like yeah, exactly. Virus, it's a nice combination of like a long term, but you can also see like multiple candles, and you can start to see like the curls. You know, like if I'm watching a 4 hour time frame, I can see that okay, we're hitting support, but we're also starting to curl. Whereas if not, you're having to wait for one candle for 24 hours. Sheesh. Right? By the time you realize it, your support was at $70, but the curl is now happening at 75, and you're like, damn it, okay, that's $5 that I missed up. So yeah, the 4 hour time frame is really nice. Yeah, exactly. It ignores pre-market too. Exactly. Text you. Okay, Azul. Yes. Looks like the S&P came back down again. Oh, the markets are funny. AMD, AMD, AMD is having a hard time around the 70-ish. Interesting, very interesting. HUSA monies. 65 cents. Uh, October 15th. What's that? Yeah, October 15th. Okay. October 15th. Yeah, probably safer to wait. Probably safer. QSG. Let me take a look. QSG. That doesn't seem like a proper alert, does it? Okay. It's actually halted down. Maybe that's what it meant to do. WETH. WETH. It's another scary pop and then drop. Good job, Paul. Good jobs. This one's actually quite impressive. SRRK. Um, like in the markets, yeah, no, I wasn't expecting a drop today either. But I mean, the day is still young, though. Yeah, the day is still young, and it's holding 570, honestly. So we might just consolidate about 570 and then push tomorrow. Will you stop messing around with SPY, please? I'm getting slapped around. Um, I know I'm trying, Jax. I'm trying. I'm really trying. But for some reason, the market just wants to play games with us for a little bit. And then as soon as like it's time to go to work, it's gonna explode up, right? Like unbelievable. Just unnecessary volatility. Unnecessary is what it's what it's doing here. Are you uh, see, virus is like Jax is like bodyguard, so I have to be nice to Jax on stream. Otherwise, virus is gonna fight me. So anyways, um yeah. Jax, which direction are you going in? Like, are you mostly going longs or shorts or both? Yeah. La 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 la. Let's go. Let's go. NDO. You're going both ways. Okay, sounds good. See, Dan too. Don't worry, Dan and Virus. When I slap Jax this month in the running challenge, you guys are gonna need to console her, because my price is expensive. Just don't worry. I have motivation now. I have all the reasons I need. By the way, Jax was being sassy pants, guys. And so Jax is if you go to the fitness channel. So Jax and I doing a running challenge for the month. The person that runs the most miles this month, uh, yeah. So it's $100 a month for anybody that for the person that wins. But then she wanted some other stuff, and then I wanted like an Apple Watch, or like like a Google Pixel Watch. So then now it's getting expensive because it's no longer $100 a month. I'll be waiting. Just you keep waiting. Keep waiting. You might as well just keep my bank details as a monthly subscription now, because you're about to be yeah, SMCI. Dang it, SMCI. $46 for SMCI. My goodness, that thing is cooking. Maybe that thing is just going to that. Maybe it's really just going to the top of the range there. Sheesh, SMCI. That was a beautiful demand zone. That again, like I said earlier, that's the beauty of watching these names on a bigger time frame, and then just waiting. But only covers half the distance. Don't worry, you guys are not helping Jax. Not helping, not helping. Jax is gonna run out of monies at this rate. Yeah, DJT's lucid. Yeah, had in the green HUSA. Very nice. Very nice. I haven't looked at HUSA yet today. I need to go look though. Need to go look. HUSA. So that yeah. Still below that 160 resistance though, right? So it needs to, yeah, 160 is really strong. So it's gonna need to break above. But that 140 support, it got close, right? So it needs to oof, my goodness, look at that pop on this one. My goodness, this thing has been strong today. Very, very strong. If you're holding this still, congratulations, guys. What was that? Shish. Okay, perfect. Hmm. I think he's just cooking. Cooking. $32. What did Jack say? I better not run out of money. Yes. Yes, please. Actually, I'm not gonna run today though. I'm pretty sore. I ran on the weekend. I ran too much on the weekend, so I'm pretty sore now. So this is not a good way to start the challenge, and it's not an excuse. Also, some idiot on that decided to slide into my ankle on the weekend at soccer. So these are not excuses. These are just reasons for me to take a day, a rest day. Alrighty, let's go, Abdu. $3,800 profits, all from Rhyme. Congratulations, well done. Yeah. Did you fight him? No, you don't really fight people in sports. It's, sometimes you get you sometimes yeah, sometimes injuries happen. uh, no. More like 10 miles. Troy, take that. I'm kidding. I don't know how, but anyways, okay. Varys, you sent those puts already. Israeli military says a surface-to-surface missile fired from Yemen to central Israel. Let's go. Amazon is looking good. Let's go, Virus. 182 coming. 182. Let's go. Keep pumping, Amazon. I like that Amazon is pumping and the S&P hasn't pumped yet. So maybe when the S&P starts cooking, Amazon is going to cook to 185. Yeah, Amazon, yeah. Anything close to 180 for Amazon seems to be really nice. So I like that. Again, so stop losses for sure need to be closer to like, because if it's breaking below 180, that's not a good thing for Amazon. Not a good thing for Amazon. So so hopefully it keeps going. Really good bounce up the bottom there. Oof, there it goes. 182 incoming. Let's see here. Okay. I know, right, Troy? Unbelievable. Here comes that 140, that $47, guys, for SMCI virus. It's really going for it. My goodness. Yeah. You get to go to work, Jax. You get to go to work and make monies. It's like so you can buy me a brand new present every month. Yeah? Yeah. Deal. Yep. You're done for today, Saints. Congratulations. Have a wonderful day, Jax. Enjoy work and make monies, please. Alrighty? Yeah. Well done, Hamza. Love it. Perfect. Uh huh. Yep. Sure. Sure. That's what you need to tell yourself so you can, we'll keep abusing Blaze. Unbelievable. They've been at war for 200 years. So I wouldn't say that peace is around the corner, but we sure can hope. Yeah. Yeah. Very sad. Crazy how that's some people's reality, though, Josh. Every single day you wake up and you're like, oh, there goes another bomb. Right? So, Jax, we get to go to work. Yeah. You know? Anyways, there goes $47. My goodness, CSMCI. I think it's very, very strong virus. Yeah, it really is. It really is. Very, very sad. Let me. Is it time for SMCI puts, guys? So that $47 is there. There's your $47 for SMCI. So maybe, just maybe, just maybe, virus is gonna end up making money on these. Maybe, just maybe, virus. Maybe, just maybe, SMCI. But 200. Okay. Uh. Uh. Up. Yeah. Perfect. Good morning, Gail. Storm press prepping. Yeah, very scary. Very, very scary. There goes the S&P with a nice comeback. Yeah, no, Paul. Usually still on for the next 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, sounds good, Paul. Yeah, no, good job in that short position, by the way. Well done. Alrighty. Let's see. Looks like SRR is still pushing here. My goodness. Well done, Hamza, on this one. And I think doesn't know when to stop. Just keeps going. SRRK. Yeah, there you go, Paul. Yeah, right. You see why we want you to practice and figure out what you want to do, right? Really important, because sometimes people just fit in with shorts. Sometimes people just fit in with scalps. Sometimes people just fit in with swing plays. So absolutely, Paul. Absolutely. Like, paper trading and figuring out what you want to do is really important, right? And when we did that psychology class a few months ago, we talked about how it's important to know who you are, because people fit in with like different things, right? Like personality. So I could be doing something and it works perfectly for me, but then that same thing doesn't work for you, right? That's because your personality is a little bit different. You need to try something else, right? So that's why paper trading and figuring this out and trying this and trying that and asking questions, really important. So Uh, yeah, yeah, the yeah, that's what you've been paid to fund the yeah, yeah, D, yep, yep. I listened to this. There's a little video. It's like a short reel. It said something about like taxes or a subscription to the government or something. So then, like so when you are a kid, that's like your free trial or something. I thought it was interesting. Kind of true though, right? Taxes are like your yearly subscription to the country, to the government. Your free subscription is over. Is over. So yeah, there goes 3250. The S&P just keeps going back and forth. My goodness, my goodness. And then SRR. Anybody still in SRR? Other than Hamza? Peace. Yeah, Michael. I want to cancel that subscription. You can't cancel it, Jack. Can't cancel. Can't cancel it. Especially if you want monies. No canceling. Some of the very interesting. Really bright. Uh, yeah, when you have your one-on-ones, guys, just make sure you always like check your email. Always check your email, please, because when you book a one-on-one, it tells you, like, it reminds you, like, hey, you have a one-on-one on this date, and then it's going to remind you multiple times after that. So always check your email, um, ready? Because sometimes I just don't remind you, like, hey, you have a one-on-one today, and then you know, so because I won't always remind you, because sometimes I sit there and then I'm doing other stuff, and then it's like, oh my goodness, okay, time is gone. Uh, yeah, Spy is such a hater. Look at this rubbish. What the hell is the S&P doing? Like, what is it doing? INDO, yeah. You did, Ryan. Were they helpful? Yeah. Apologies for that class, though. So what happened was, so we again 2 hour class was amazing. I recorded it, but I think what happened was, um, like I was using a different computer, and that computer forgot to that computer, aka like I forgot uh, to add the sound to the recording, which is stupid. But anyways, that's been fixed now, though. Annoying, but yeah, yeah. Ooh, SMCI is cooking. My goodness, virus. That thing said, you know what? Let's just go all the way to that 48. Sheesh, very strong. And so this is one of those cases, like when you're looking for puts where you'll use the bigger time frame to understand what's happening, and then you have to go to like a 15-minute time frame to actually see weakness, right? So yes, we look at this and we say, okay, like 47, 48 resistance, and then now we go to a smaller time frame, and then we say, okay, can we start to see a curl down confirmation of fail at resistance, right? Because if you're waiting for that big time frame, and then you might not do the right thing, right? And then once you start to see some weakness on a smaller time frame, but not too small, then you can say, okay, time for puts, because I know there's resistance anyways. I just need to see weakness, a little bit of weakness, and then you send those puts. Yeah, yeah. Let's go, virus. Let's go, Obi. Let's go. Let's go. What's that other stock doing here? Is it doing nothing? Yeah, still in that same stupid range, huh? Still in that same stupid range. Permissions. Okay, that's been fixed. Perfect. So yeah, let's hope that it can continue to stay above 250, and then that should be okay. And then SMCI with some weakness, maybe finally virus. If that candle doesn't give you a brand new high, because every candle this morning on SMCI is giving you brand new highs on the 15-minute time frame. Every single candle, right? Higher highs. Every candle, it's a new high. It's a new high. If this candle doesn't do it, abyss, straight to the abyss. Why is the S&P such a hater? Why? Why spy? $12 loss today. What did you play with, a new trader? What did you play with? Well done, Jericho. Well done. Gold. I rather not. I would rather not. Too much retesting of the bottom here. Can we shoot up now? Like, is that too much to ask for? Break above. So yeah, break below 570 abyss. Break above 572, and then okay, back to all-time highs. I think that's what they're playing with here. I think that's the name of the game. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Hit that like if you haven't. Hit the subscribe as well if you're new to the channel, and if and then if you want to become a member and join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and come join us already. Stop missing out. INDO does look nice. So I mean, again, the more we hear about stuff that's happening in the Middle East, the more like these, oil goes up and these stocks perform, right? So yeah, heading to the to $6. Well, I mean, I mean that would be nice. So yep, congratulations if you are holding INDL. There's a nice little pop there. I think what this thing is missing really is the volume, right? GDHG. Anybody still holding this as a swing play? Again, it's it came back down to that same bottom, right? So it's holding the support. It just doesn't have the volume to go boom skis, So we will keep it on watch, and then see if we can ever break out again here. Alrighty. SMCI virus, you're green, 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 green. uh, yeah, yeah. Really slow start to the day, though, isn't it? Right. In terms of like momentum. Uh, Domain. Is it actually halted up? Okay. Let me take a look. SOBR. That ELTTM thing virus. I'm glad you saw that rubbish. Yeah, SOBR. You can clearly tell though, like people looked around the market. They're like, okay, so there's no theme today. Okay, let's just go back to last week. SOBR was pumping on Friday. IND obviously has a bit more than 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 just the last week pump, but same though. Yep, it's halted up. 35s. Maybe I mean honestly, it would be a good thing if it sold up before that event. What's up with Napa? Napa is getting bought out, so there's nothing to see. Napa, nothing to see. New. Yeah, there we go. 30 and 35 for Tesla. Okay, you need a quick drop, a quick drop to that zone, and then you're good, virus. And then time to enter. Well done, Troy. Well done, skis. That means you made money still. Your stop loss was most likely in the green. Yeah, okay, perfect. Is the S&P? Nope. Well, I mean, kind of. Spy is just drunk, confused, confused. Uh, uh, get ready for a wire wave. Sounds good, Chris. uh, yes. Sounds like a perfect morning. What is that? That's INDL. Only 2 miles per hour for currently expected to be to weaken before landfall on a 3. If you are near Tampa, damn. Sheesh. So they're saying please evacuate if you are near anywhere near Tampa. My goodness, that's where Rob is. Um, sheesh. I just saw where it is. Yeah. Troy? Yes. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. A life jacket? Yeah, no, I think his wife and daughter uh because his wife was like, nope, nope, not doing this. So then they drove to yeah, they drove to go stay with family. But then Rob is there with his boys. So I don't know if he's yeah. Sheesh, that's scary though. And this happens every year, like every year. My goodness, I would move. Yeah, yeah, Lorenda. Hopefully, yeah, because I would like yeah. I think the appeal though is I don't know. I couldn't live there because then they have alligators and then they have weather that will destroy you. I wonder how much it costs though to own a home there. Like insurance must be ridiculous because they know that home is like the chances of that home getting destroyed are pretty high. Is major sandstorms a virus? Yeah, they are Lorenda. Okay, okay, okay. That's good. It's crazy though. Like there was one last week, and then there's another one. Like that's just yeah. Mm. And what's scary too though is like there's really nothing you can do. You know, like as like what I mean. Like there's nothing that the government can do maybe to protect the people. You know, like there's nothing that like when it's that strong there's nothing that you can do as like an individual to you can put sandbags and like all that stuff but like the virus honestly I bet you someday we're gonna like learn what's happened behind the scenes. We're gonna be like, wow, really, you guys did that? Yeah, scary. Yeah, no, hopefully hopefully Rob is okay. Yeah, no, he messaged this morning saying yeah, yeah, this didn't happen in the village. No, there was a lot of rain in the village. Like there was some, but then also like like stuff like this happened in the village. But like also like the former building was different though. Like the way they build the homes in the village, like way different. Yeah, and also like we got a lot of rain, like a lot of rain. Like it would rain for days. Like you'd play soccer in the rain, and the water would be like it would be pouring rain, and the water would be like up to your knees, and you'd still be running around with like the other kids. And then you'd come home shivering, and then your mom would slap the rubbish out of you because you weren't supposed to be outside. Slap the rubbish because you're laying on the couch and you're shivering because you're playing on in the rain all day long. But what the hell are you supposed to do, you know? But yeah, we had some extreme weather. Rain for days and then sun for days. So we only had two seasons, you know, rain and sunshine. uh, in North Carolina, virus. Yeah, it's unhalted. Thank you. Oh my goodness, look at that thing go! Wasn't that thing just halted at 40 something percent? Now it's halted at and unhalted again. ST. Sheesh. My goodness, look at the size of that. Wow. The Earth's air conditioner gets the more the Earth will try to correct itself. Yeah. Well, honestly, I yeah. That's one of those things though that I wish like. But then again, why would they educate people about the environment if really like people strive on making monies on anyways, it's all about the money, 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 money. uh, at some point, at some point, the Earth is gonna get to a point where it happens. I feel like it had. I was watching a documentary like about the Earth. Every so often, every however many like hundreds of years, the Earth will wipe itself of the people. Like you guys are very greedy. Get out of here. You know, in a few hundred years, we're gonna be like way under the way under the under the Earth. Virus, yeah. So we might as well love one another, because it's only a matter of time. But weather modification, really, virus? That's crazy, crazy, crazy. Yep, yep. Humans are greedy. Yeah, exactly. Humans are very greedy. So every once in a while, the Earth is gonna say, "Yep, yep, take your greed and enter the Earth." Huh? It is what it is. What can we do? Absolutely nothing. Exactly, D. You know how like people go and dig under the earth now because they're looking for dinosaur bones? Yeah, that's gonna be us. The movie, the day after tomorrow, Tony. Yeah, yep. So, so we might as well, try our best to. I mean, I say try our best. Really, It's not the huge. It's not like. It's not. It's not like us causing the problems. It's most of those people that are in positions to make a difference that are just anyways, whatever. Every morning is a huge uh 10. Yep. No, 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 no. Absolutely. APDN, let me take a look. Since this one's on halted, Amazon is going back up, the S&P is going, like, honestly, look at SPY, guys. Like, look at this rubbish. Right, this is good though. Like, this is really good for, like, for same day expirations, right? Like, that's really good for SPY because you can buy those SPY puts and SPY calls and SPY puts and SPY calls, right? And you can make money all day long. But uh, there we go. Some weather modification patterns. Oh my goodness. Into the see, like, why, like, honesty virus, like, like, why people, why, anyways. Anyways, the one question that I always ask, like, the one I know people talk about legacy, right? Forget about legacy. Legacy is just like, people with, like, I don't know, like, at some point your ego gets so big that you're like, I want to leave a legacy. Anyways, this is me, ranting. Okay, so don't take it personal if you want to leave a legacy. Okay, if you don't want to be forgotten, you will be forgotten, by the way, when you die, right? Gonskis. Okay. But what I don't understand though is like the people that are in positions, to make a difference, right? People that, like, have huge power, have huge monies. These are the same people that, like, will destroy everything in their path, including, like, other humans, the environment, everything, not realizing that, like, at some point you will die, and then all of it, like, what is it for? Like, if you're gonna die, right? And this is the one question that I always ask myself. Okay, if you're gonna die, doesn't it feel so much, much, much better to, like, to know that, like, at least you helped someone? Like, I'm just saying, like, doesn't that feel so much better than, like, making a whole bunch of monies and then dying, and then you're like, oh yay, I accumulated everything, but then I died. But then look at all the chaos that I caused. Like, doesn't it feel so much better though to know that, what, like, I had enough. Like, the people that, like, honestly, like, some of these people, right? $100 million, $50 million. Like, will you ever need more than that to live? But no, like, I have $100 billion, and I want more and more and more and more. Why? Because I want legacy. Because it's never enough. Because I'm greedy, really. Like, what does that do for anybody? Anyways, that's just me though. That's just my opinion. That is just my opinion. Anyways, let's move on before I keep ranting here. Yeah. Anyways, there goes $7, guys, for SOBR. Really good push. AMBO just hit new highs of the day. Oh, did it actually? Dang. Oh yeah, completely. AMBO. Oh yeah, it did actually on that candle. 188. That was a good dip actually. Really good dip there on AMBO. Really, really good dip. Uh, Uh, as NPCs, probably. Greed makes people weak. Yeah, crazy. The storage, to keep over the yeah, that's the plan. Honestly, like, you know, it's like, oh, I never want my kids to work ever again. They don't need to work if if they're not greedy as well. Um, and if you teach them to be good humans and maybe like not to spend uh $10 million on a trip, maybe then that money can you know if you have a lot of monies and you spend time with your kids and you teach them the right things, yeah, that money is going to be there. But if you spend time making more monies and you leave your kids, then that money means nothing to them. They're gonna waste it either way. But anyways, what do we know? we are just the haters, because we don't have that type of money, right? SOBR looks nice. The S&P is cooking back to the highs of the day almost, isn't it? Like it's just up and down, up and down. Sheesh, that would have been a nice double bottom there. Very nice double bottom. Very very nice double bottom. Uh, he did, Troy. Really? Like, see, like, what's the point of that? Like, what's the point of that? Crazy. Oh my goodness, SMCI is just cooking virus. Cooking, and SOBR is not stopping. Not stopping. Like dismantling a bridge so you can get through. Keep. Thank you, Lorenda. She's scary. uh, yeah, let's Mark, absolutely. If you bought this morning, Mark, Amazon this morning closer to 180, you're very happy, right? We were talking about it on stream here. So that dip closer to 180, that was a perfect dip into prime day tomorrow. As long as the S&P doesn't go to the abyss, though, SMCI looks beautiful. My goodness, beautiful on the 15-minute time frame. No weakness at all. Again, now it's sitting in a supply zone, of course, but my goodness, that thing looked nice. And then SOBR just wants to destroy $8, it seems. Wants to destroy. For me, Tesla puts. I don't have Tesla puts. Maybe Virus does. Maybe Virus does. $7.80. INDO, guys, congratulations. I know a whole bunch of you guys are holding this one. So $5.20 looking good. Seems to be the spread seems interesting, but it looks nice. Do I have a okay? Disconnect. Uh, 2 contracts. So next week, 25th. Okay. TSLL. Okay. In the options cooking lab. Yes, Mark. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, no, the options cooking lab channel, Mark, really good for you. Um, like you don't have to do anything with options, honestly. There are lots of charts posted about like just good technical levels, large caps, right? Tesla, SMCI, NVDA, right? So yeah. So they talk about options, but same thing applies when you're looking for just long positions. INDO, highs of the day. Come on, Spy. Can we go back to highs of the day as well? Can we break above 72 already? 572. I don't think Mo ever got back to me. Okay. Mm, mm. Yeah, no, looks good. Looks very, very good. So congratulations, guys. Yeah, they're gonna fight, and then oil is gonna go up, and some of these stocks will do well. Okay, let me take a look at. Yeah, AMBO also looks good, right? So I guess there was a reason why this name was on the title of the stream there. Okay, let me take a look at APDN. In at 33 cents. Oof, nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. That looks good. I just want to see what the daily looks like. Oof, perfect entry. Okay, moving on. INDO is not stopping. $5.30. $5.30. 518 one. Okay, sounds good. INDO. And then again, you can always watch, HUSA, as we mentioned, and TPET is another one, right? TPET, uh, TPET. That previous high for AMBO is $1.88, so it's going to need to break above that. The only thing that's concerning for a name like INDO is like the way it moves. Like the candles can be really crazy, really, really crazy. And then SMCI is still looking strong, even though it's at resistance here. Resistance. One second. The second return to beautiful. Actually, that was a fire signal, Grim. Beautiful. Beautiful. Do this. Okay. Let me pull it up again. Look how quickly that thing moves, though. Mm, yeah, that was a perfect signal from Grim, by the way. Perfect signal. So yeah, so what Grim was looking for was the double bottom there, right? So at 33 cents, beautiful. Beautiful. So 33 cents to 41. So again, if you don't pay attention to the swing channel in Discord, you should. Ready? You should. There's been some fire in there. Some fire. Fire. Has returned to the bottom, he said. Oh, that was funny. Anyways, what's the S&P doing here? Nothing still. Yeah, SOBR looks like it's retesting $8. MLGO, Joshua. Yeah. Uh, that's what we call teamwork virus. 80%. Yeah. Oh, your buying power. Okay. I mean, you are nice and green now, so try not to go red on that. If it's all of your buying power, try not to go red. Already. uh, there you go. You're playing a dangerous game. Yes. Anytime you go all in, it's a bit, especially after a big run like this. Like if you got in earlier, and then you'd be okay, but you're not that far away from the highs of the day, so you want to be a bit more cautious, right? Nvidia is pushing 130. Oof. Amazon. Okay, okay. Sounds good, virus. Yeah, SMCI is not stopping. It just made new highs again, didn't it? Just higher lows after higher lows after new highs after new highs. Like it just keeps going. Too much strength. And the S&P sitting there like a goat. But Nvidia is back to the highs there, though, virus. So 82. So let's see if that thing can break out. 5 more minutes, guys, and we're gonna hop off and go back to Discords. Alrighty, 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. We will hop off and continue in Discord. uh, yeah, yeah. APDN looks nice. Very, very nice. Sheesh, that was a fire call from Grim, right? Fire call. Unbelievable. Anyways, la 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 la. You still can't post pictures. Yeah. I thought I fixed that over the weekend. I'll need to look later today again. Mm. Yeah. That's an interesting chart, actually. 43. Come on, Amazon, break out already. Stop slacking. Virus needs vacation monies. Yeah, probably just being silly Discord. Yeah, just unnecessary, Dan. Just wait all over the place. Look at SOBR, guys. My goodness. Look at that damn thing. Oof. Is anybody holding SOBR in the chat? I wasn't planning on a train today because Oof. Anybody holding SOBR? That thing is cooking. What do you know? Based on it's halted up again. Yeah, no, that was a beautiful chart, right? So that's what you're looking for when you look for swing plays. Is one or two things. When you look for swing plays, either it's at the bottom and testing the bottom. Love it, Oleg. Well done, right? It's either at the bottom and it's at support, or it's breaking above resistance. That's it, right? If a stock is not in the right range, it's not a swing, not a swing play, right? It either has to be at the bottom or it's breaking resistance, and then we say, okay, you know what? We're swinging this for this reason. It's at the right price for this reason, right? So that post there from Grim was beautiful, beautiful. So so in terms of like your question, if you should play, you have to play with a smaller time frame. So you might have to go to like a 5 minute time frame or something like that. Or what you need to do now is just again move your stop losses higher based on like something that you're happy with. Like if you're happy with if you're up $100 and you're like, you know what, my minimum is $50 or $80, go with that, Oleg. Or again, go to the 4 hour time frame and look at the main levels and say, okay, this is a major resistance. I need to sell at this price, right? Or just go to a 5 minute time frame and then just watch for higher lows. Is what I would recommend. Already, like I said, the closer you get to 45, though, there's strong resistance at that price. Already. No. Yeah, SOBR halted up at 870, 876. You in this, Tony? SOBR. Ooh wee. What did you get in that, Tony? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Tony, my question for you is, why did you get into this? Why did you get in? Just curious. Just curious. And then I'll look at HUSA. Let me know. Give me the details. Give me the juice. La 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 la. To make money's bread. No, that's not it. Perfect. That's the answer I'm looking for. Love it. There's always a reason why somebody gets into a position. No, that's okay, Tony. Right? It's not to make money, right? I promise you, when you jump into stocks because you're trying to make money, the market will slap you, right? Because it broke out. Right? That's the answer I was looking for. Yeah. So love it, love it, love it. Again, Tony, you could be aggressive with that stop loss because that's a pretty nice run already. And so put that stop loss wherever you want. I tend to put that stop loss really close to the price that it's halted at, just in case it wants to halt down. So then you're out already. Yeah. So beautiful. Hopefully APDN stays above that 40 cents. And then on the left hand side, guys, ooh, NDO is cooking on the left hand side. Uh, yeah, that thing is cooking on the left hand side there. Woof, beautiful. Damn, that's a really nice push. Um, Yeah. So who put 80% of the buying power into this? I don't quite remember. Was it? I forgot. Remind me. But congratulations, because that thing is cooking. Oof, cooking INDO. That was you know Noah. Yeah. Congratulations. There you go. Where's your stop loss at now? Where do you have your stop loss at now? Tesla. Yeah. There it is. 575. Uh, yeah. 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 555. Okay, good. Congratulations. You made nice monies, right? So does that mean your buying power is done now? Does that mean your buying power is done? I think it's cooking. Cooking, cooking. And SMCI doesn't know when to stop. That thing just keeps going. 170 for HUSA. Yeah, INDO is definitely dragging that thing up. 140 was the entry, which is very nice. It's 140. I mean, that would be nice. Okay. Can send it exactly. There goes SOBR, guys, unhalted, and that thing is not stopping. Oh my days. SOBR said, let me cook, let me cook. Who wants breakfast and dinner? My goodness. Sheesh. My goodness. Sheesh, 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 sheesh. When $10 SOBR. I mean, it's already tapped $10 in that last candle, right? There goes 990. Going once. Get some calls for this week. Okay, sounds good, Virus. There it is. $10 broken, guys. I'm surprised they didn't halt it on that candle again. Woof. That's very impressive. That's very, very impressive. If you're holding SOBR, type in yes in the chat. SOBR. You're holding SOBR, type in yes in the chat. And it's halted. My goodness. What a monster. Yeah, right, ST? Tony? Monies. That stop loss never hit though, did it? There you go, right? So you just have to be aggressive with that stop loss. And if it doesn't hit, then that's amazing, right? You're up $3,000, Carl. Congratulations. Wow, wow, wow. $3,000 in this one play. Tony's just sitting there smiling. Tony, move that stop loss up again, right? So your stop loss was initially around like $8 and whatever. Now that it's above $10, you want to move that stop loss up again because you're about to print monies again. Print. Well done. And if it drops, then you just secure the monies and move on, right? Yeah. Perfect, Tony. Perfect. Good job. Yeah. So just move it up again, right? The danger with not moving your stop loss up is you let it sit there and then it drops from like 1050 to 10 to 950 and then it halts and then it opens another dollar lower, right? That's why you want to be aggressive with that stop loss. Alrighty, let me look at the daily really quickly. Not that it's gonna make I just want to see the levels, but these guys have done a split, so the levels are a bit skewed. Righty. So this thing was at 5 cents last week, right? So then they've done the split, and then that basically converted 5 cents to $3.70, which is 380 is what it went to. This morning the stock was $3.80. From $3.80 all the way to $10.50. Let's go, Tony. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, these people don't know, Tony, right? These people don't know. When we say invest in yourself, guys, we're not kidding, right? Tony and I had a one-on-one last week, right? End of last week, right? Tony, has that gold membership paid for itself on this one trade? Let me know in the chat. Has that gold membership paid for itself on this one trade? Right? So again, when we say invest in yourself, right? We're not kidding, right? Do yourself a favor and go make yourself some monies. Anyways, let's go, Tony. So if you look at the daily, yeah, so like closer to $11. 11 is your next resistance, and then almost like every 50 cents. Right? So one trade is paid for the gold membership. Do you think Tony is ever gonna give me that knowledge back, guys? Tony's gonna be like, hey guys, I made my monies for the gold membership. You can take your knowledge back. No, Tony gets to pay for his membership, so now it's free, and he gets to use that knowledge and trade over and over again. So when you're sitting there and you're like, oh my goodness, I don't know what to look for. I don't know. Like my entry, I can't seem to find the entry. Right? Maybe ask for some help. You know? Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There you go. So again, he posted HUSA as well in the swing channel, right? The swing channel is cooking. So if you're not a legend member, you're kind of missing out. Or a gold member, you're kind of missing out. Or a lifetime member, you're kind of missing out. You know. But what can I say? What can I say? What can I say? You know, there's nothing that's cooking in the market that we don't know, right? Is there? Don't think so. My goodness, when did he post that actually? 47. Oh my goodness. Yeah, some dude posted on Twitter. That's why I'm laughing. Some dude posted on Twitter that he's short SLBR, $1 million risk. Yeah, he posted that a minute ago, I think. Or was it like an hour ago? Oh no, that was a minute ago. Uh, Anyways, we have a new member. There we go. On hold, guys. $11. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. That was a nice pop, actually. $11.80, guys. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. That thing is cooking. Cooking, cooking, cooking. Oof. Uh, oof. That's impressive. So again, make sure you take profits on the way up, though, right, Tony? Make sure you take profits on the way up, please, 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 right? So pay yourself on the way up. At least move your stop loss higher. Let's go. Let's go. We have another gold member, guys. I'm out. That was my best. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go, Tony. That was my best trade to date. Come on, let's go. I'm not saying let's go. I'm saying let's go. When you become a goat member, there's vibes that come with it. Anyways, random stuff. Welcome to goats. Go to the one-on-one channel in Discord. There's a calendar link in there. Just schedule a one-on-one. Alrighty. When you schedule a one-on-one, guys, you have to do like at the very minimum like 24 hours from. So if you're becoming a go today, like if there is spots on the calendar, do like towards the end of the week or next week. Ready? Otherwise, it might not necessarily. Yeah. Let's go, Tony. Let's go. Love it. D, congratulations. Let's go. Well done, guys. All right. Well done. Perfect. Uh, who's this? Okay. Okay. Hmm. Let's see. Okay, perfect. uh, love it. Okay, let me go back to SOBR. Maybe this is just a retest of the 9 EMA. I random stuff. Yeah. Did you make money on those though? Hopefully you did. Hopefully you did. I honestly really enjoy doing one-on-ones. Like really enjoy them because I can see Tony's name every single day, on stream, and I'm like, oh, okay, there's Tony. But it's another thing to like put a face and like a voice to the name. It's pretty cool. So yeah, very cool. Okay, let me look at my calendar again here. That's today, I think. It's him. Yeah. Let's go, Eve. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. It's always nice to put a voice and a face to the name. I really enjoy that. But yeah. At $130, yeah. Yeah, no, again, investing in yourself, guys, will like I don't know, like I don't know how else to put it. Because I still get DMs from people like, "Hey, Blaze, I just lost $1,000." I'm like, "Do you know how many Goats memberships that pays for? You just lost $1,000 in a day, and you're asking me for help? Like, all you have to do is just simply invest in yourself." But yeah, go to the one-on-one channel in Discord, not the voice one, the one that you can type in. There's a calendar in there. You might have to scroll up a little bit, but there's a calendar with let's go virus, let's go, yeah, let's go it. So yeah, you can like it's funny because you can see the gold members, like, again, some people take longer than others, but you can see the gold members like leveling up and leveling up and leveling up, and then you can still see some other people asking the same questions, right? Is Paul still in the same spot, guys, that he was like a month ago? Even Paul is not in the same spot, and we entered Paul, right? So yeah, you can see people like slowly progressing, right? Why do you think that is? Because they're putting in the effort, right? They're willing to learn and improve. So I don't know what to tell you, right? So go listen to Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett says the one thing that you will never regret is investing in yourself, right? Somebody asked him like, "Hey, give me three rules for success." He says, number one, invest in yourself. EPDN, Saban, what's your position? Let me know. Really has been paying off. I wanted to jump in against the plan. Love it, Tony. Love it. Right. Tony says patience really has been paying off. I wanted to jump in way sooner, but it did not want to go. I did not want to go against the plan. Right. So yep. Yep. The one-on-one channel is Shamir. It's called one-on-one. Not the voice one, but just the one that doesn't have a microphone beside it. And I already sent you a calendar link, Shamir. You're in from 40 cents. Are you in Discord, Siban? Are you in Discord? Let me know. Are you what time is it? Okay, I have to hop off in 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, because I have to do one-on-ones. In the boxing ring. Yeah, exactly. It's called one-on-one. Like the channels are called. There's two channels called one-on-ones. One is for typing and booking your stuff and asking questions if you're a gold member. The other is for like joining when you have a one-on-one. Only when you have a one-on-one do you go into the channel with the microphone, right? Otherwise, I just end up kicking you out. So good job on taking profits on this, Tony. Well done. Congratulations. Love it. The other day, because you said so. uh, let's go. Yeah. In the boxing ring. So yeah, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new. If you want to become a member or upgrade, the link is at the bottom of the chat. Let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we're gonna hop off and continue in Discord. Alrighty. Let me know if you have any last questions. INDO is like, nope, we don't dip too low. We don't dip too low. Let's go, Tony. Because now we're at what? Look at this now. $9.70. Like, look at that craziness, right? You would have lost $2 for no damn reason. So congratulations. Beautiful. Love it. Brett, if you want to join Discord, you have to become a member on YouTube first. Once you become a member on YouTube, and then YouTube is going to give you a Discord link. Alrighty. So when you sign up for Discord Community Legend or Goats on YouTube, you just have to go to the community tab, and there's a link right there to join us. You have to become a member for one of those channels first, or you can send me an email, hottradesx@gmail, and I'll send you an invite. Yeah. BDRX, 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 sympathies. Yeah. So as SOBR pumps, sympathy plays show up, right? It's split plays. So I mean, like, look at this. We basically just went back to all the names from last week, guys. Right? Everybody just looked around and said, yeah, today is not it. Let's just go back to last week. I smell weakness. Weakness? Okay, let me know if you have any last questions. And Brett, so if you do become a member, the link is going to be on YouTube, or just send me an email and I'll send you the invite. But again, let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and we're going to hop off. Have a great day as well, Natalia. Have a wonderful day as well. Make me rich, or make me completely yeah. Again, just make sure you sign up. If you do become a member, guys, make sure you sign up for the right level. If it says sold out, it's not going to give you access to Discord. Ready? So it will not give you access to Discord. Okay. Much love, everybody. Be safe. I'm late for my one-on-ones now. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Alrighty. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
To the scene. Hot trade, riding the money dream. Hot trade, what's your strategy? Hot trade, come and trade with me. Hot trade, places, let's go. Hot trade, we're making that dough. Hot trade, watch the market soar. Hot trade, come on, give me more, give me more. Set your stop limits right. Hot trade, no more slacking. Trade all night. Hot trade, it's on fire. Blazer shouts loud. Hot trade, stay green, make the crowd proud. Hot trade, what a monster, nice pop. Hot trade, don't let the game stop. Hot trade, from Canada to worldwide. Hot trade, come along for the ride. Hot trade, always have your own plan. Hot trade, ladies is the trading man. Hot trade, it's a pump and dump, beware. Hot trade, for the thrill, if you dare. Hot trade, it's cooking beautiful, he says. Hot trade, wild nights and trading days. Hot trade, this is business, no more slacking. Hot trade, join the fun, there's no backing. Set your stop limits right. Hot trade, no more slacking. Trade all night. Hot trade, it's on fire. Blazer shouts loud.